Now we're in the inside. So welcome back to this luxury Sandpiper 388 BHRD. This fifth wheel Sandpiper is amazing. The amount of craftsmanship is gonna blow your mind. So we're starting here in the master bedroom. We've got one of our two ACs in that master bedroom right above the queen size bed. Notice this is out on a slide. I love all the storage cubbies they've put in the wall, all the extra outlets, all the little details. They've got a mount for your TV directly across from the bed, as well as a chest of drawers. But probably my favorite part always in the master bedroom, look at this sliding door. We got a washer and dryer hookup. We've got a storage bar, and behind it, if I were to open the other side, massive closet space. You will be able to store everything in this fifth wheel camper. We're gonna move on out here to the first bathroom. This is the full bath, nice large shower. Look at the design here. Look how beautiful the sink is. The vanity's amazing. We've got a porcelain toilet above with some cabinet space. Now, we're gonna keep going through here because our goal is to get to that amazing bunkhouse. Now we're in the middle of the fifth wheel, and this is the living part. As you can see here, I have reclining theater seats that have cup holders right beside the trifold sofa. So for a camper this size, getting two sofas, sitting places is amazing. You're not gonna find it anywhere else. In this kitchen, I wanna keep going around. Look at this large LG refrigerator. We've got residential all appliances here. Refrigerator on top, freezer on bottom. We have a freestanding stove. Again, residential. You could cook your Thanksgiving turkey here. Don't even need to go to your house. We've got the huge convection microwave, 4 burner eyes right here, solid wood solid wood cabinets with this large pantry with pull-out drawers. This is top of the line luxury. I love the solid countertop with the removable sink. You've got drawers here. You even got an extender to give you some more counter space when you are cooking that Thanksgiving dinner. All located across from the TV. They have put more cabinets, more storage, all above that fireplace that puts out full heat. And again, we have the dinette here in the corner. Now, let's go up into the bunkhouse and see the rest of the camper. We finished up here in the back of the fifth wheel in the bunkhouse. You're gonna see how amazing this is. On this side, I have 2 bunks. I have one on top, one on bottom, storage underneath. This is on a slide, which makes this room feel huge. I also have another bunk up here. We have it set up to show you underneath is a jackknife couch. Now, lay flat at night, sit it up during the day. It's got outlets, it's got USB ports. It has everything that your campers need to not miss a beat. We've got storage on both sides with hanging space of where your TV could go. So they have plenty of room for all their belongings, all their stuff. Think about a rainy day, all the room. We also want to point out the last feature here, the half bath that is connected to the bunk room. Those kids don't ever have to come out except to grab some food and water. So, if you have ever been in the market for a bunkhouse, this fifth wheel luxury Sandpiper 388 BHRD is the top of the line, beautiful fifth wheel. Come on down to Adventure Camper Sales and see it for yourself.